Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how this Fortnite map right here called Steal the Brainrot makes over $500,000 every single week. If you don't believe me, look right here. The game has amassed a total player count of 542,000 players just yesterday, and literally 24 hours ago they made $144,000. And if we go to the monthly analytics, they are making $2.2 million every single month. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need to copy and emulate the same success that you're seeing on screen at the palm of your fingertips. Because we are about to load inside of Steal the Brainrot. As you can see, we are loaded inside of the game, and I'm going to walk you guys down and show you guys exactly what is making this game actually so successful. This video will be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, the live events. If you guys didn't know, literally yesterday there was a live event inside of this game, and that allowed it to spike up to 555,000 players and make over $30,000 every single hour, which is over $200 million a year, guys. But let me show you guys what is actually making this game popular. So here we have a player over here who is grabbing a Brainrot, and it cost him 5 seconds, $1, to actually produce that income and produce that, right? And the whole premise of this actual world and experience is because it is based off of the most popular game, Roblox. You heard it here first, guys. This is an actual Roblox game. And if we go here, we have Tim Cheese, and he costs $500. Obviously, we cannot afford him. So let's go find a Brainrot that we can actually afford. Let's go find one, okay? And while I find one, I want to talk to you guys about my mentorship program, of course, because all you guys have to do is join the Discord, send me a message. If you want to achieve success like this, let me know down in the comments. But let me show you guys exactly how this game is actually making so much money. So the reason why it's even popular in the first place is because of the spinning wheel. So this is a daily wheel that you can spin. Let's see what I get. So the wheel is spinning. Let's see if I get lucky today. Let's see what I unlock. Okay, so we have unlocked $1 million cash. And do you guys know what I could buy with that? Like, that's like the rarest thing on the item. Look, 1 million, 1.2 million. Look how much that is. So I'm going to go buy a Brainrot right now. Here we go. There's one Brainrot. There's two. There's three. There's four. There's five. Oh, I just got froze. Okay, so you can actually freeze players so they don't have to take your Brainrot. But yeah, let's buy this one too. It's an epic. Let's buy this one too. And let me show you guys exactly what's happening. So if we actually walk into our bases here, they walk in there and they get teleported into our actual bases here. It's pretty cool, isn't it, guys? So here we have another little Tom and Jerry squirrel here. Let's buy this ninja. Let's buy this. Let's keep buying them until we're all filled up in our bases here, because I want to show you guys exactly what's actually going on. So let's go here. Let's keep buying them. There we go. Okay, cool. So we're almost filled up here. Wait, this guy just tried to take my Brainrot. See? So this is a cool mechanic of the game, guys. You can actually take people's Brainrots and put it in their entire bases here. So if I actually press RT on my keyboard, I can grab a smacker, and I can actually push people away. But the reason why this game is actually popular, guys, is because of the colorism and the constant updates to this game. The owner of the actual Steal the Brainrot, which had 50 million players yesterday, has the licensing agreements to this game, which pretty much means that every time they drop an update next week, these same things are going to be happening with your guys' own things here. I'm going to steal this guy's Brainrot. I just stole this guy's thing, and there's really nothing he can do. But this is pretty much... Oh, this guy just stole my shit, too. Let me smack his ass, and that's not going to be happening, buddy. I don't know what you're doing, but, like, that Brainrot is not yours, pal. Yo, these guys are just taking my bases, bro. Yo, why are they stealing my shit, bro? What the hell, man? Yo, why are they stealing my shit? Here's our friends. You can actually add friends, guys, and invite them. Wait, why is my base locked, though? Rebirth? Okay, so here we can actually multiply our cash, but we don't have enough funds yet. This is very interesting. Why is my base locked? It's literally locked, and I can't escape it. It's locked for 37 seconds. That means I'm stuck here for 30 seconds? Okay, cool. I can walk through still. But yeah, essentially, guys, the reason why this game is actually popular is because Fortnite has the licensing, like Farron's, right? He has the licensing to this actual map. So I'm going to steal this guy's shit real quick. Oh, never mind. But that guy's about to steal his stuff. But let me keep buying Brainrots for you guys. So this one costs 2 million. We can't afford it. Let's try to get this guy. We can get him. We can get him. We can get him. Yeah, I'll need a little bit more room, and that's pretty much what it's saying. So if you guys actually want to build games like this, go ahead and join my Discord. There's thousands of games that you guys can literally just start getting started to get posted and make yourselves a few $1,000s a month. Come on, guy. Come here. Come here. Take it. Come on. Take my Brainrots. Let's go. Let's get you in there. Take my shit, bro. But yeah, so obviously we know that there's a massive trend going on with making games. I'm the only person in the world. I've inspired literally every single person to get started making maps. I've inspired 50% of the whole lobby to get started making maps. There's only 60,000 people. Obviously, I've inspired half of that because I'm the only one making content. We're getting hundreds and thousands of impressions per month. Obviously, that equates to the thousands of people that are joining every single month with making maps, you know? And it's a little unfortunate because I see the publicity on Twitter, right? A lot of people are like, yo, he's just selling free things. He's kind of just like not really telling anything. He's kind of just talking, but like talking is how you talk yourself into building confidence in the first place. You know what I mean? Like at the end of the day, we're all just here grinding our asses off, trying to make a business, trying to make income for ourselves. And that's why I'm trying to bless you guys with this opportunity to really get yourself started making maps, because this guy's making $2 million a month. Why can't you? Well, obviously you can inside of the Inner Circle, which is a private program. You guys can join in the Discord, obviously. Millions of dollars I've generated. If you don't believe me, you guys can literally just join the Discord and see for yourselves. We have creators with millions of followers, of experts, the biggest people in the world. Obviously, me and Jinxie, we just made a game a few days ago. And I have a lot of cool collaborations in the works with athletes and rappers that I can't wait to show you guys, because I know I haven't really been posting consistently. I mean, I have, but like quality over quantity, you know what I mean? But this is a sense... Oh, fuck, I'm frozen now. But yeah, man, I mean, like... This guy's freezing me, and it's not even Frozen 3. Like, that Disney movie drops in 2027, but I'm frozen right now. I can't do shit. But here we go. There. I'm perfectly fine, well-balanced, and I'm good to go. Okay, guys, so... Obviously, we know that I'm making everyone millions of dollars, but how can you guys do the same? You know, I'm in Steal the Brainrot right now, and a lot of you guys are still kind of confused on how this game is successful. Pretty much, he stole the concepts of Steal the Brainrot, which is a Roblox game, but obviously now he has the licensing to the game because... Obviously, we know the potential, and this is making a lot of money, right? So the developers aren't going to take this down. They're just going to shut them down or take a revenue split, which is obviously what they're doing. And here we have a rainbow Brainrot. Here we go here. I love free speech, guys. I don't want to get political, but, like, nobody deserves to die for their political beliefs, no matter what. Because the fruit roll-up is the snack that smiles back, goldfish, and I seriously love you guys, man, seriously, because we are changing the world together. No matter, like, what we're really accomplishing, I do believe in you guys. Like, I'm happy to be alive, guys. I'm making lots of money, and I'm changing the world. I'm making content that I enjoy. I'm doing games with the biggest streamers, the content creators. Like, even though my own page is pretty dead, I'm in the business. I'm in the space, guys, and I'm really changing the world together. And I love you guys, man. I can't thank you guys enough for, I mean, I gave myself this position, but I'm happy you guys are a part of the journey, getting started with making maps as well. And the reason why I take credit, though, is because I literally inspired everyone to start making maps. Like, on YouTube, I'm the only person in the world. I've inspired at least 15,000 people to sign up and make maps. Obviously. But some people on Twitter are like, oh, no, he didn't. Like, of course I did. Like, what are you talking about? I'm the only person on YouTube talking about the topic. It doesn't matter if you believe me, if you hate me, if you like me. I've still had an amazing impact, right? And I have Versify that's dropping at the end of next year. And that's going to be sold to Epic Games for $2 billion. Because it literally makes the assets, like all of this. There's the 3D objects, there's the rendering. It can build the entirety of this entire map in a single prompt. It's kind of crazy, to be honest. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of just wanted to show you guys, you know, why this map is popular. And this is the chill side of me, you know? Like, I'm just blessed to be alive, and I seriously love you guys, man. So... without further ado, boys, click the last video on the screen. Obviously, guys, join Fort Mafia. There's thousands of people that make millions of dollars a month inside of the program. In the link in the description, join the Discord. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make thousands of dollars a month online, clipping people's content, specifically for Fortnite map making inside of the Fort Mafia Inner Circle. If you don't know, I just launched a brand new program called the Fort Mafia Inner Circle, where you can get connected to 6 to 7 figure Fortnite map creators, network with influencers and celebrities, master UEFN and verse coding, pre-made, ready-to-post templates, and more, which is in the link in the description. But I want to walk you guys down the exact necessary steps you guys need to make more money online by clipping content inside of Fort Mafia, and also just in general, because if you guys are looking at this map here called Steal the Brainrot, drumroll please, it has amassed a total player count of 542,000 players. Yes, this video is going to be completely raw and unedited, but I want to show you guys exactly how these games are actually becoming popular and such a substantial revenue concurrently for these Fortnite consumers and player bases. Because if we look at Farron's here, he's literally making millions of dollars a month. Farron's, if you're seeing this, shout out to you. I know I've spoken with you in DMs occasionally. I think you're a good guy. I know you're working hard. And I've seen you in December of 2023 when you made your little Joker game, the box fights and stuff. Me and Skeptic did our own version of that. It didn't really go too well, made like 30 grand, but it was a good time. And today I want to show you guys exactly how you guys can achieve the same success. So let me show you guys exactly how you guys can make yourself some more money. Like I said, guys, this video will be completely run unedited, because I like to keep it authentic. I like to keep it raw. I'm going to close my door really quickly. Wait, no, I'm not. But yeah, so here we have this game called Steal the Brainrot, chat. And if we look here, I did every ritual in Fortnite Steal the Brainrot, all secret codes. So essentially, if we actually click onto this video, all this is entailing and telling us is that this content creator has secret codes inside of their game, and viewers are trying to play that, obviously, to have an advantageous effort over the other players, so they look more special and cool, which is fascinating. It's fascinating that you can make millions of dollars making maps, and that is why I dropped the Inner Circle program, where you have celebrity endorsements, direct access to 7-figure map creators. Guys, I ain't gonna cap. That almost sounded like I said something terrible there. It says figures right there, chat. Ready to post map templates. These are brand new and custom. I know there was a content creator before. His name is Minerva, I think. I don't know how he got the maps, guys, but shout out to him. Keep killing it, buddy. Now we have exclusive training, which will have in-depth masterclasses on verse code, marketing promotion, discovery in the algorithm. I know my hair's a little messed up, chat. Don't let that distract you from the value inside of this program, because there's people joining, right? There's only a limit of 50 people a month for new people, and that is why I want to have a successful community, because I don't want just random people coming in. Like, it's going to be a waste of your money if you're not taking the full accountability and responsibility that's required inside of this program. There's over 375 people that are all making a 6-figure income inside of the space at a 2-yearly basis, okay? Because obviously when you get started, it's going to take you a while to get familiar inside of the business of making maps. I think we can all agree with that, And honestly, I love you guys, man, because I get to do whatever the fuck I want, Like, I'm making good income. I'm doing collaborations with the biggest people in the world, right? And they're not just nerdy Fortnite creators. They're literally people that are celebrities and worldwide icons. And I get to make an income building games with these people. We build a relationship. We build a connection. And you guys have complete access to these people. And it's fascinating. I love it, These new videos, chat, they're just going to be me talking to the camera because I'm here for you guys, man. I really am. I love you guys. We're really achieving our dreams together. And it's fascinating stuff, I mean, at the end of the day, chat, we're all a business, guys. You guys are entrepreneurs making these games. And for all of you guys that are still listening to this, I don't need to be over obsessive and fucking hyper-analyze the analytics of my own maps and my own 2 cents. Because I know a lot of you guys ask, where are your own projects? And those are the collaborations, like the one with me and Jinxie did, the one that I have up and coming with the biggest star in the entire world. You guys will all see it on this channel. We're filming some content together. The map will drop next week. Hopefully, if everything goes all to plan. God's plan. Like, I just wish more people were open and honest, because it just sucks that you have to, like, clickbait. Like, you guys wouldn't even be in this business if I wasn't talking about the revenue with the maps being made. Which sucks, because I don't really care about making my own games. I care about the business and providing help and value for you guys in exchange for your, obviously, money. I want you guys to be exchanging your money to save yourselves time, to learn verse coding, to learn map making. And nobody's the most perfect person in the world, right? I know I'm the only person in the world doing this, and I forever will be, because I have a vision. I have a $1 billion company, Versified, that automates the process of thumbnails, SEO, visual effects, environment, design, coding. That is in the works right now. All of it's coming, guys, and you guys can literally do whatever you want, bro. I just wish people realize that, man. Guys, you can literally clip my content and make thousands of dollars a month. I have all of the top speed clippers doing it. Just go look on Instagram, search up Davy. There's millions of people making thousands of dollars a month inside of the space. It's fascinating shit. I'm not even going to cap, And I love you guys a lot. I swear to God I do. So, without further ado, okay, so this is what I wanted to show you real quick. I wanted to hop onto this map right here called Mechanics Training V5. I want to show you how this game is being heavily marketed and favored towards the algorithm. Because if we look here, there's only 8,000 people on board with it, right? But we have $900,000 in just a year for revenue, right? And that's like super, like that's crazy, right? And obviously you get connected, not with Raider, but you do get connected with all of the most successful map makers inside of the space. All of these guys have made $50,000 to $100,000 with making maps. And you get a direct access to the network, because obviously you guys always ask me, like, how are you so connected? Also, guys, these thumbnails on these maps here, these don't have these statistics, okay? I have to preface this because I had to use these thumbnails because most of the most popular maps inside of Fortnite GG, they have the terrible thumbnails. And it sucks, guys. I'm being open and honest here. This map, none of these maps made this much revenue. But I had to say that. I had to fake it because it's not attractive to you guys. I could show you all of the client results, and I do, right? Like, yes, I've made millions of dollars for everyone because when I inspire you to get started and you make money, I take credit for that. I do, because it's a purpose for me to inspire people and create change. If I inspire you to get started making maps and you make $1 million, I literally made you $1 million. Yes, you took the course of actions in your own life, but I have fulfilled those and inspired you to get started. We're all in this together, man. There's no point throwing shade, or I know there's a lot of weirdos on Twitter that are like, hey bro, fuck this guy, he's reselling, he's doing this. And I did do that, I did, but I stopped. I'm no longer that person. Everything that I do is now authentic and vulnerable. I like to keep it transparent and raw and open. There's been some months, chat, like last year, where I was really struggling with income. And now I'm making it a full-time career. I'm doing it, right? I'm talking, bro, it's really fascinating, man. And I love all of you guys, swear to God. You know, like, we're literally changing the world together. Whether you hate me, whether you like me, I don't really care what your opinion is, but I love you guys, seriously. You know? I mean, we're all just living life and chilling, chat. But I love you guys, man. I don't know why I said chat, but I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna see you guys soon, okay? New videos dropping shortly. And I love you guys, man. Click the link in the description to join Fort Mafia down below in the description. Get clipping. Start making thousands of dollars a month. Join the inner circle. I love you guys, man. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Click the last video on the screen. Businesses, sponsorships. You can reach out down below. A lot of collabs coming soon. See you guys soon. Peace. Yo, chat, if you're still seeing this, this is me editing the video, and you're a real one, bro. I'm stretching the video to 8 minutes. It's at 7:49 right now. I love you guys, man. I need to put mid-roll ads on this video. YouTube paychecks are hitting, and I love you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day.